please give us some instruction on the vacuum, please?
It has a filter at the back, which is the exhaust filter. That comes off. That takes off. Take it outside on the concrete. Tap, tap, tap until no more dust comes out. Grab the filter, put it back inside there. You get your cover, filter cover, and just click it into place. Easy to change your bag, so you just pull that out with the whole full bag. Get your new paper bag. Make sure it goes in between the two slots there, and just straight in, and just lock straight up. Very easy. Crush-proof hose. Can't crush it. Combination floor tool, so you can use it on hard floor and carpet.
Yep.
Extension rod, so you can, if you're too short like Alex, you can still use it.
Yep.
Or if you're tall like me and you,
I didn't wear my heel.
you can make it longer.
Okay.
And it's got the speed control, so if you're doing curtains and stuff, so you don't use too much suction, bring it down. If you want the full suction for your big traffic areas, put it on high.
Turn it on.
Turn it on, suck him up.
Can you please plug it in and then show us?
We can do that.
How
for
you suck?
I wouldn't do it for anyone else, but
Yep.
for you and Alex, we can do this.
Yep.
I'll do it for Alex, I won't do it for you.
Thank you very much. I thought we were friends for 15 years.
Turn it off with the foot. As I said, press the button there, and it pulls out to just there, pulls in and out.
Okay.
Let go of it, locks in.
Yep.
So from you and me, we'd have it up that high.
Yep.
Or Alex would just have it down somewhere around there.
How about carpet and hard timber
Very
floors?
easy. That goes straight onto timber floor now.
So that's
Down
timber
is
floor.
Timber floor,
Yep.
and then on carpet, you just push that down
Okay.
to stop the
Okay,
brushes.
this one.
Yep.
Okay, this one, that's free, yeah?
Alex, any questions? What about the changing bags?
Very easy.
Oh, we should.
Is it
The other
better?
thing too,
Is it better?
when the bag is full, Jason?
Yes. Yes.
When the bag becomes full,
Yes.
you'll see what happens here. See that little knob there?
That's,
Bag indicator, bag full indicator.
okay. Can you please explain that one again? That's the most important thing.
So when the bag gets full and there's no more suction, what happens is see the red?
Wow.
Brilliant.
I like that function. I like that function. And then
And the rod is actually 35 millimeter rod, so you've got that 3 millimeters extra.
yes,
You get more heavier, dirtier bits.
yes. Alex, what about when the bag full? How can we buy new bags?
Throw the vacuum.
Throw the vacuum, get a new vacuum.
Awesome. Okay.
I don't know.
No, when the bag's
God
full,
save the business.
but it's very, very good, strong machine. Made by Hoover. You know, everybody says,
Yes.
I'm going to Hoover the carpet. Nobody says I'm going to vacuum clean the carpet. I'm going to Hoover the carpet. An
Ah.
old Pommy saying.
Oh. Oh. Okay. They are the pioneers of vacuum.
I'm going to Hoover the carpet. All the
Ah.
old people, that's what they say.
Okay.
Not that I'm that old, but
Ah.
young fellow like
You just say that. Thank Chris. Thank you.